So one major issue about the 2026 RAV4, like I always say, it's definitely not how it looks, because this thing looks really, really amazing, but it's the interior. And when I say in the interior, hold on. When I say the interior, I'm not talking about the fact that everybody, says that, oh, the interior is made of plastic and things like that. Because the honest truth is that yes, the interior it's really made of plastic. Like there's a lot of plastic, but as you drive it, it doesn't really feel as bad. My issue is this part of the interior, the cup holders. Okay, so as many of you know, these cup holders are really nice when they are new. Okay, but as time goes on, it becomes very, very, very difficult to clean. And this part of the cup holders, like in the corners, it begins to start to look a lot dirty and very hard to clean. So I was just asking myself, like, what is a solution that I can use to stop this? And I came across this on Amazon. All right. So basically, what this is that this when you have like your debt and everything that goes into it, instead of it being very difficult to like clean, like the way this one is, with this one, when you fix it in once and for all, you are able to hold on. I don't even know how this thing fixed. Let me check something. Let me see. No, I don't think so. You are able to hold on. I'll figure out how this thing is fixed. You are able to just take it out and then just like clean it. You're able to take it out and clean it. Let me get this thing fixed properly. Right. Okay, good. You're able to fix it out and clean it. So basically what we're going to do is, I think it's supposed to go inside like this. I think this is supposed to go inside like that. And then it's supposed to also go inside like that. You get it? So now, whenever there's dirt anywhere, like in this part of the center console or in this part of the car, all you have to do is just basically just take it out like this and then clean it. So this part always becomes that intact. And one thing too that I like about it is the fact that it's the material feels really, really nice to touch, and it's also really nice to set up. All right, I'll be sending the link to this exact product because there's a lot that doesn't feel this much. I ordered a couple that didn't feel like that. I'll be sending the link to this exact product. Comments the word RAV under this post. I'll send you the Amazon link exactly so you can get it. I think it's like $30 or something. It wasn't even that expensive. 20, I don't know, 30 bucks. I'm not really sure, to help you. So pretty much that's today, the video of today. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. As like I told you, I will be giving you a lot of tips and tricks for the 2026 RAV4 to help you have a better experience, know what is I like about this car, what I don't really like about this car, amongst other things. And yes, back to the interior, guys, it's not that bad. Yes, I get it, there's a lot of honestly, there's a lot of plastics, like, and I drive a BMW, so I know what like quality actually feels like. But with this, it has a lot of plastics around it, but to be honest, the drive on this thing is like so good that after like a day or two, you don't really care about all of these things, and it's not that bad. Like, I feel like they exaggerate it a lot in these YouTube videos for like views and things like that, but like honestly speaking, it really, really is not that bad. You get what I mean? It's not that bad. It's manageable. So yeah, pretty much it's a good thing. Okay, so we can do that. And yeah, subscribe to the channel to enjoy more RAV4 content like this, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Oh, and another thing too, I'm gonna leave a link on this video on how the car can like self-drive itself and all of those things. So make sure you click on the video. It should be at the end of this video somewhere, so you can go and watch it as well. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.